Hi, this is Mariah, and it's How I Met Your Review. Down, don't play that, please. Actually, yeah, I can play it. I'm Mariah, and Sophie's not here today. We're not sisters or anything. She's had to go back to her house and everything. Anyways, if you see this before Memorial Day, happy Memorial Day. Memorial Day is tomorrow, Monday. And here is Gavin, my little brother. Say hi. Hi. My name's Gavin. Say, my name is Gavin. Please don't play that. Anyways, so you need parental supervising or something. So you'll need these, Nerf gun, bottle cap, big piece of bark, a hammer. Put it back? Okay. A nail, something from a knife, and some bread. You gotta make sure it's hard. If it's not, just set the bread out. And just don't let any birds get it. I would suggest an old hammer. If you have an old hammer, that would be great. It would work a lot better. But so if you have like a new hammer, I don't suggest a Stanley, a wooden hammer. It's light duty. It's 13 ounces and slash 13 ounces and 13 ounces stands for 369 grams. I wouldn't, spider! Stupid spider! Okay, so never mind. I wouldn't suggest a Stanley because you can see it's breaking already and already made one. Seriously. So the first thing you want to do... Thank you! 1, 2, buy... Yay! Oh, you can see my cat right there. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so what you'll need... never mind, I already said that. Sorry, I got lost. So the first thing you want to do is put your flowers through, and you just stick it right here. It's for the birds and the bees. Put 4 in. You stick it right here. And then get 4 other ones and just stick them in there. Yay! Is that for you and me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Sorry, my mom's got home from Burger King and she's bringing food. I don't know why. Anyway, so, see right there? You got this right here. These for the bees. The bees can land and go blah, 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 do the business, whatever. Take all the nectar, pollen, whatever. Anyways, factoid. You know how bees make honey? They puke it up. Yeah. So I wouldn't want to be eating honey. Just saying that might make you hate honey. So yeah. More?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
2 bull.
Okay.
2 bull.
Okay.
2. Like eating out that.
Okay. So after you do this right here, take your knife handle from a knife, and then you just stick it right there. No, wait. I'm getting fooled. Wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that at all. No, don't do that. You take this. You just set it on your bark for now. And then, so, see it, you get the bottle cap, you get a hammer, you put the nail right there, and you get a hammer. Don't put it too lightly, for it'll leave a hole through right here. Put it right there, and then you set that to the side. You just gotta try to get these in nice and good. So after you do that, you get your knife holder and you just open it up like this. Place it right here. Place it on the table wherever you're working on. Where you're working. Actually, don't scratch that. Just do this. Put it right here. Put your nice little flower right there. Get the bottle cap. Put it to the flowers. This is a nerf thing with the flowers. The flowers will stay right there. And so after you do that, just push it through the bark. And then push it through your knife holder. And after you push it through your knife holder, you might not get it. So if you don't get it, just push it through right here. There we go. See? You have this right here. And then you don't use the bread yet. This is what you'll need to do. If you go by a tree, or your tree you want to hang it on. I need to set this right here. I'm so stupid. Sorry about that. Sorry, guys. I'm using my big tree. It's the only tree in our. It arcs over our house, and I'm afraid it might fall on our house. Just trying to make the best of it. So, then, over here. Anything that's in the way, like, I tried to stay with it. Just on the. Yeah. And then, after that, we just need to grab your bread, get your bread, and just crumble it up in just like little pieces and do this. Just for now, we're not going to put it on the bird feeder yet. We don't need that. Just get like a couple pieces, take the top like this and just put it in a pile. Why? Oh, they're stupid spiders! Anyways, so this is about enough right here. If you want a little more, so the birds can get more, just pinch off the top. And then after you're done with this, just do this. We'll break it up more and then see? And then you walk back over here. And if some of it falls out, just get more, like I told you earlier, and just keep putting it in until you're done. And there you go, you got a bird feeder. Bye, guys. Say bye, Gavin.
Bye, guys.
Uh-oh. Bye.